Okay, now we're ready to ride the Fuller 360 in this Devonport terminal. Dinkies. I'm not going down there. Helicopter. Telepathy. We're finally here at the Devonport Wharf. Let's go inside. We're finally here at the Devonport terminal. Route. I'm going to the downtown. Okay.
However, how about fried chicken?
No, mami, doon sa Taruma Ramen, doon sa Magna lang doon. There's a bird.
Oh, sorry, I was just going to say you've got something dangling out of your bag. It was that. Thank you.
Oh my god. Queen. The butter queen. 2 6. Mommy, we have to make a check-in there. We have to make a check-in here. We have to make a check-in here.
We have to look at the schedule here na lang. We have to look at the schedule.
Schedule downtown is gonna be 12:45. 25 minutes. Yes, 25 minutes.
Schedule is 12:45.
So, mommy, the top one.
21 minutes.
The top one. I fly. I'm not gonna go there. I fly. We have to make another we have to make a change.
Here.
Yeah. We have to do Pier 1. We have to wait. This goes. No, Mom. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop. Yeah, let's just enjoy the sea. Let's just sit. I'm gonna sit here. Yeah.